CDP Annual Report 2019. And what is this CDP? CDP stands for Carbon Disclosure Project, which is an organization based in the UK. UK की organization है CDP Carbon Disclosure Project, which supports companies and cities to disclose the environmental impact of major corporations. Okay. It aims to make environmental reporting and risk management a business norm and drive disclosure, insight, and action towards a sustainable economy. So it aims to make environmental reporting and risk management a business norm and drive disclosure, insight, and action towards a sustainable economy. इसका थोड़ा सा short में समझते हैं, brief में समझते हैं CDP है क्या? So CDP is basically this is an organization, Carbon Disclosure Project. It's an organization that is based in UK. और ये बेसिकली किस तरह की एनुअल रिपोर्ट देती है हर साल? ये रिपोर्ट देती है कि वो कॉर्पोरेशंस के नाम जो बेसिकली इन्वायरमेंट को ध्यान में रखते हुए काम करते हैं. ओके, सो दे आर सेइंग दैट वी विल रैंक द कंट्रीज. हम कंट्रीज को रैंक करेंगे जिनकी कॉर्पोरेशंस इन्वायरमेंट की टेक केयर करती है, इन्वायरमेंट की को देखते हुए बेसिकली काम करती है. तो ये सर्वे करती है हर कंट्री में, डिफरेंट कंट्रीज को, उनकी जो बड़ी बड़ी कॉर्पोरेशंस होती है उनको देखती है, बेसिकली मेजर कॉर्पोरेशंस को, वेदर दे आर वर्किंग with by taking care of the environment or not. Okay, simple. So that is basically this carbon CDP annual report. So what this report has found it, and this organization has regional offices also. This organization has an office in India also. So there is a CDP India also. Okay. So CDP India annual report 2019 ranked India's 5th place among the countries surveyed for corporate commitments. So India को 5th place पे रखा है. That means India's corporates are doing good for the environment. So the report surveyed 59 Indian firms. So 59 Indian firms को survey किया report ने, and it has formulated 58 firms. So it has found it 58 firms have broad level oversight of climate related issues. So in India, which the corporation which are surveyed, 98% of the firms are doing good with environment. So Indian companies are doing better than companies of Germany and Sweden, in fact. And the US, Japan topped the list. US is at the top and Japan is at the second highest rank. And third is the UK, and fourth is the France, and fifth is the India. Okay. So ये report में भी exam में आ जाए. Okay.
Thanks for watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe.